Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by Frank Norton in 1878. So the black just has the king left, white has the king, pair of knights, 2 pawns, a bishop and a queen. White's turn. Can you see the Checkmate in 2 for white? Moving your queen to e8, checking the black king doesn't get you a mate in 2, unless black moves to d5, in which case there's quite a few ways to checkmate. But the black king can escape to f5. And then when you check with the queen, black has an escape square. And then you can only mate in 3 with the knight. Moving the queen to g8 is also only a mate in 3. The black king is forced to move to f5. There's a couple of ways to mate in 3 from here. One of my favourites is pushing the f pawn. King is forced to move back to e6, and then you can promote the pawn to a queen to checkmate in 3. Moving the queen to h8 won't get you a mate in 2. The black king moves to f7, you can move in with the queen. Then if the king moves to e6, you can checkmate in just 3 by moving the queen next to the king. Or if the king moves up to e8, you can pin it to the sideline to just mate in 3, but not 2. Checking the king by moving the queen to e4 is actually only a mate in 4. The king is forced to move up to f7, you can check with the queen again. The king moves to f8, you can move along with the queen to just mate in 4. If the king moves down to e6, you can then mate in 3 with the queen or the knight. Okay, let's have a look at the solution. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to sack the queen by moving it to d5. Black is forced to take the queen back with the king. And then you can move your knight to f4 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.